One day Bohol escapade from Cebu? Well, it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Tara, let's mga foodies. Welcome to Bohol! Isang kagandang madaling araw, mga foodies. So, ang call time natin is 3 a.m. Labas na ng hotel para mag-check-in at magbiyahe papunta ng Bohol. Advance booking tayo and kailangan lang nating pakita yung tickets and ID para makapasok. Ayan, loading na tayo. First time kong sumakay ng fastcat after ng pandemic. And maganda, malinis. At nandun pa kami sa economy. Hindi pa yan yung business class. So, enjoy naman kahit na nandun tayo. Plus window seat yung akin. Kaya, ang sarap mag-contemplate. Yes, habang nagko-contemplate ka, yan yung view mo. Nature is really great. Sobrang ganda. Parang siya. Ako pala. Char! And this is the loading na. Siyempre, ang pinunta natin dito ang iconic na Tarsier at ang sunrise yan habang nag-wait sa fastcat. We have Chocolate Hills and of course ang man-made forest. At siyempre, hindi rin natin pinalagpas na mag-tour around the world kahit nasa Bohol lang tayo.
Everybody's dancing in the moonlight, dancing in the moonlight. Everybody's feeling warm and bright. It's such a fine natural sight. Everybody's dancing in the moonlight.
O, diba? To see is to believe. We also did the Bohol River Cruise na nasa ibang vlog. Check it out! I hope nag-enjoy kayo at na-inspire. That will be all. Cha-cha!
Sa lupa'y